my channel. And today I'm very excited to show you this app and walk you through with this AI-powered meal analyzer. And first, let's take a look at the design and the UI. As you can see, the UI is very clean and modern. And everything is styled with Tailwind CSS. And for authentication, we use Clerk. We go profile page, and let me sign out. And we got the sign in and sign up page. And also we got the sign in with Google, support Google login. Yes, and in this video, I will show you step by step how to set this up. And now, after I log in, I can select the image. And we use the Expo ImagePicker for selecting image. And you select your meal or your food of this image. And we can press the AI Analyze button. And behind the scene, we send this email to our backend API. And our backend API send it to OpenAI to send this image to OpenAI and let OpenAI to analyze this image and give back the result. And we tell OpenAI to return two parts of the result. The first part is a JSON data that we can display this part of UI. The score and the nutritions. And the second part is the markdown, the text markdown. And we can use markdown to show the text. In just a few seconds, you can get a very clean nutrition breakdown and health score and suggestion advice from OpenAI. If you enjoy this demo and want to see more AI-driven projects like this, make sure hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And all right, let's dive into it and start building from scratch. Create a folder, AI food. Open terminal. npx create Expo app at the latest -e with Tailwind DAW in this file. If you use this quick start, you need to install Tailwind manually. After it finishes, use editor to open the code. I use code, VS Code. And Expo, npx Expo start. Split terminal. Press I to open the simulator. Okay. And next, we create rows and pages. So src app, and so in src we need to create a folder components, and in app we need to create a folder. app and API. And in this folder, we don't need index here. We delete this file. And in app, we create a underscore layout tsx rnf layout and a folder called tabs for tabs, and in this folder layout and sign rnf sign in page, and also sign up. Sign in, sign out. And in tabs, we need to create 3 files. First one is layout. RNF layout for tabs, and index index page, and another is profile page. Okay, and this is a main layout, the root layout, and this is the layout for stack. It means we need to add stack in this. Next, router, and yes, it's like is guarding. Now we said it's true. Okay, guard. I said it's true. No, I said constant is true. False. Okay. Replace with auth logic. That's it. And next, stack protected. Stack protected. I love this. Okay, that's it. Is sign in. Nice. Hey, nice. Is sign in. This will come from Clerk auth, and if user sign in, we let the user come in tabs and AI plan page. If not user not sign in, we need to let the user go sign in and sign up page. And by the way, oh sorry, this and notice is go tabs, and if user not sign in, we go sign in and sign up. And for this tabs layout, we need to use tabs, and I need to add tab screen for it. The first one is index And the second one is profile. So now we refresh our app. We should go sign in and sign up page. And if I let the user true, is sign in true, we should go tab page, home and profile. That's it. That's the rows and the pages. Now we need to set up a Clerk for authentication. And this time we use password and Google. Okay, we'll go dashboard. AI travel. We need to create create a new application. It's called AI food. And the email and Google create application. Click Expo and follow the stock. Copy. npm install. And use this env file. .env.local. Paste it. Save. Close. And we need to use Clerk provider to wrap the root layout. Okay, just return this value. Okay, that's it. And Clerk provider. Save this file. And the next npmi. npmi install this and give a cache in provider, so user no need to log in every time. Save and restart. Press I enter. And next. We use this to check if user sign in or not. Okay, and in file, say this one. Okay, is sign use auth from Clerk Expo, but we need another. Okay, we use this one. Is loaded. If not loaded, we give a loading. Okay, that's it. React Native, that's it. And this file is done. And this file is done. And the full layout tabs, and this file is done. The layout is done. And next, the sign in, sign up. We follow the docs in Clerk. Sign up page. Control A, paste it. Okay, paste it. And we give a return safe area view from this one. this. And the sign in page. Paste the code from Clerk. Save area view. And now we should have the sign in and sign up page. We refresh. Yes, sign in and sign up. Enter email and enter password. And sign up, we go sign up and enter email and password. That's it. And next, we need to add a Google login. So at the Google login, we need to go this page. Google login. Clerk docs custom flows OAuth connection. And Expo here or here. Choose Expo. And this is a sign in. So we copy this file and create a components here. TSX RNF. Sorry, paste it. And here, we don't need this router push because we use stack to push user to tabs or to sign in and sign out. So there's no need the push. So in sign in, we add this. Google sign in. And import. And now in sign in, we should have a sign in with Google. That's it. And it should redirect me to the tabs. That's it. That's done. And it's done. And we give some style for the sign in and sign up. And for sign up, we give some style. And in profile page, I need to add a sign out. Use auth from Clerk. Use user from Clerk. And a handle sign out. Alert from native. And the touchable opacity. So in profile, you should have a sign out. And sign out, we should throw back to the sign in and sign up page, and with Google, and sign up page and sign in page with beautiful UI style. And now the authentication and rows and pages is done. So next, we need to build the index page. Next, let's build our index page. And first, we need a safe area view and a scroll view. Safe area view import from this. And some UI for header. Okay, we log in. AI meal analyzer. And this is a header. And next, we need to build a touchable opacity for select. React Native. And a function pick image. So here I need to make some use state. Select image and base reverse image, loading result and JSON. We need to use API and to get the result and the JSON, and also give loading for UI. And the image is select image, and then we need to transfer to base reverse. So all this use state. And here is the data. We need to give a type of this data. Calorie, protein, and fat, fiber, and vitamin, and a health score. So this need a function. We use an image picker. For this, we need to npmi Expo image picker and import this as image picker. So now we can pick image. And this is the image picker. And to use the Expo simulator and to get the image. And if we have selected image. We need show the image. So this import from React Native. So if we select image and we show the image, we'll give this URI to select the image. And another button to call the function to use API to analyze it. Touchable opacity. Okay, another touchable opacity on press upload to server. Okay. So we got this button. When we press this, we need to send the picture to OpenAI API and tell API to analyze this meal and give back the data. So next we need to go to OpenAI. And this is the OpenAI platform, the openai.com. You need to log in and create an account and create a project and use use API keys to generate a key I already generated and paste it into env. Install OpenAI npmi OpenAI. And now we need to create a file in API folder. We call it AI food dot plus API dot tsx the ts. That is Expo API. That is Expo API for server side. The name like this, plus API.ts in app folder. And we import OpenAI and use OpenAI API key. And like this. It's a post function and try await to get this image from this page from here, from this button. Make a post request to this with this image. And we'll get this image from the post body. And if no image, we'll give back error. And then we cast a prompt. Cast a prompt. You are a professional nutrition AI and analyze the food in the given image and return the result in two parts. So we call API and let AI give back two parts. The first part is JSON object with this following fields: calorie, protein, carb, fat, fiber, and others, and also a health score. The first part is the JSON, and the second part is a markdown, like this. The following section: advice, this meal healthy or depending or the suggestion or summary. And this is a prompt. And then we call the API. We call the API OpenAI chat compilation create, we use this model and give the prompt in text and give the image base34 format, and the type is image URL, and the console log response, and also the message, and we give back the message. So I like this something. Okay. Okay. And this is the API. So now we can call the API and upload to server. And then we don't need this data now and this part. So upload to server, and API AI folder is go here, and there go OpenAI and give back the data and give back the response. And then we format the result. So the first is JSON, and then we parse the JSON and set it to JSON. And the markdown, we parse the markdown, remove the JSON, remove the title, and set the result to the markdown. And now we give the little something is for, and then the loading. We need to have a loading state. And the JSON data. Wait me. Now we need to call the API. Call the API to see the result. Okay, this food. And now we open the terminal to see the console log. Go. Yeah, we got back the result. That is the response here. And the message is the first part is JSON. And the second part is the advice and suggestion and summary. So we use this part to parse out the JSON and set data, JSON data, and get the markdown and set the result to markdown. And now we give the UI to there. Okay. Should be here. And for UI, we need a animated circle progress. So we need to install npmi React Native circular progress. And the markdown, we need to use markdown display. npmi React Native markdown display. And import this. And JSON data. Okay, map is not a function. Okay. And we use this message, not API, to render the UI first. Okay, select the image and analyze. And now the UI shows this way. That is the health score. JSON data. That is the health score. And nutrition facts. JSON data. We parse the JSON data and give UI here. And also vitamin mineral. JSON data. And the markdown, we set the result to markdown. And we use markdown to give the result, advice, summary, and suggestion. And let's build our profile page. In profile, just some beautiful UI. And safe area view. And we import this and get username, get user avatar, and get user email. And that's it. After user login, we can get user email and avatar from this function. Get user name and get user email. And this user come from use user, that is Clerk. And also get a user avatar. And handle sign out. And next is some beautiful UI. And sign out.